Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ehsan bin Aminuddin and I'm from class DPR38. My matrix number is 08DPR20F1009. Today I want to share to all of you guys the process of cleaning the air conditioner's filter. The equipment that we need is a cloth and a vacuum. Right now, we will proceed to the first step. Before we proceed to the first step, make sure the air conditioner is turned off. The first step, the air inlet is opened up by pin off the side of the air conditioner's pin. And remember, you need a little strength to open up the air conditioner's inlet because it can be hard to pin it off sometimes. Next, the filter is taken out slowly and gently to avoid the dust fall from our eyes or nose that can give us sneeze. Do not take out the filter quickly, otherwise the dust may easily fall on our eyes or nose. After that, the air conditioner's filter is vacuumed by using the vacuum cleaner to remove all of the thick dust. Be careful on carrying the vacuum cleaner when cleaning the air conditioner's filter. Then, the filter is washed by using the water shower to remove all of the small dust that is stuck from the filter, and the water from the water shower flow more faster than the water from the sink, which is you can easily remove this small dust that is stuck on the air conditioner's filter. Next, the wet filter is wiped by the cloth so it is easy and not take a long time to dry the filter after that. Do not use the dirty cloth to wipe the filter. Next, the filter is dried under the sun and the balance of the water inside the filter will fully dry. Then, the filter is installed into the air conditioner once it was dry. Finally, the air inlet is closed by click the side pin, and now you can turn on the air conditioner. In conclusion, reinstall or cleaning the air conditioner's filter is not as hard as you think because the steps is so easy to follow by the flow of reinstalling and cleaning it, and you don't need to ask other people to help you to cleaning and reinstall the air conditioners. And that's all from me. Bye bye.